Manda. Welcome to my channel. Today we are setting up my Frankenplanner for August. I was supposed to say October. For August. We're going to start with my work planner. We are going back to the hourly layout for the rest of the year. I just wanted to try it out. I've already gone ahead and taken out previous stuff because, you know, confidential stuff goes in there. Let's get August out here. Now this is my pretty much my everyday carry planner that has pretty much all the planners that I have, except for my Erin Condren teacher planner, my budget planner, and my now Hobonichi memory planner. And I also have been using a cut down Stology. This is a Stology cut down to standard TN size. So yeah, I've been using that phone for just like notes and stuff, specifically for like my job hunt thing. So this is going to be the work planner. This is the, I can't remember what it's called. It's this one. What's it called? Working remotely layout is what it's called. It's just an hourly. So let's put that one back. So we got the monthly, we've got the goals and things to do, and then we have the blocks at the top and hourly down here. I think what I'm going to do is change this a little bit, and I'm going to like block out these 2 days and then have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That way I can have these as like columns. Just a thought, just thinking. All I would really have to do is I think I have stamps that I can do that with. But yeah, this is 5 week month for this planner. All right, next up we're gonna do my social media planner. We're gonna take this page out. We're gonna leave that in there. We're gonna take these pages out. We're gonna leave these, I think I'm gonna leave this in here because I kind of need that right now. And then we're gonna put them back in here. Let's see, May, June, August. We'll just pop this in for right now. And then we'll take out August. August is quite cute. I like that color. It's sort of like terracotta color. Fantastic. All right, so we're gonna put this one in here. We're gonna flip this over. We're gonna put divider in. Got the monthly. And then we've got, smear all of these in here. Let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's got the 5 in it as well. All right, let's put that one. We can put that one away now. So we're done with that one. Next up is going to be my fitness planner. So we're going to pull this one out. I'm going to pull this here. It's just a mock meal plan. Getting kind of a little after the pin here. We're just going to pull it out till here. Flip this one over. We've got August here. Let's grab this one. Oh, I like this one. Like it's tie-dye-ness. It's interesting. It says, sweat now, shine later. I'm hoping August will be a good restart to my fitness journey again. We shall see. This month has just been kind of crazy between being sick at the beginning of the month and going on lots and lots of interviews. So you can usually do this all in like one thing, but for some reason I'm doing it in sections. I don't know. All right, so let me make sure we got all the right pages. But yeah, I'm hoping we'll be getting into back into fitness again and really buckling down. All right, now for the fun one. Putting together, we're gonna leave that. We're gonna do these one, pull all this out. Yeah. Okay. This is the week we're on right now. Like today is Friday. This is Friday. So didn't use the notes, but whatever. All right. Put this back in here. I think the reason why I'm not using the notes is because I have so many other planners. So we're gonna pull out, we need to do this in sections because it's 2 different layouts. Okay. Done with this one too. Put that one in there. All right, time to start with the fun. So here's the cover page. It's very plain. I like that. We need the monthly and the dashboard here. Then we need to pull out this one and put this in with the social media. I use this to just do a brain dump of all the videos I want to do in the month. So I just have a running list of what I've filmed and what I haven't. So like this. And then it gets transferred into that. Okay, so we have this last page of the dots. We have the notes page here. And then we're gonna take this just plain vertical. I think this is from this Blushing It, I think. So just plain vertical. Making sure I've got all the pages, 14. 21, 22, okay. All right, perfect. Alrighty, and I just go ahead and like double sticky tape those down. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this quick setup of my August Frankenplanner. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.